Can I ask, when you returned to Wielun, it was after the bombing?
Oh yes, this was after the bombing. The town was bombed, and then they came in, the Germans. They needed people to clean up the ruins, all the ruined apartments, they bombed out. So they used to, the Jews were working for 50 cents a day, 6 days a week. They came out that the Jews cannot walk on the sidewalk, they had to walk on the street, on the gutter, along the gutters. And all the Jews have to wear that sign. And Sunday you cannot go out. After 5 o'clock you cannot go out. They were removed from their apartment and put it in one place, and it's just horrible. There were 20 people to one room, sleeping on the floor. My father read the German paper, and he had such a vision. He said, there is so much poison in that, there's so much hate, we're not going to survive. So we have to escape. He installed in me a sense of escaping. In Wielun, they told all the Jews have to assemble on the market in the center of the town. It was a sort of called market. I never went. I found different ways of hiding. And the same thing, my father. Those black, we called it black trucks, big trucks, covered. And I had a suspicion, and what it is, those trucks were hermetically closed, tight closed, and then they gassed them on the way to the Helmek, which was the town where there was no gas chamber, but at the time they arrived there, they were all dead. So my father and mother ran from Wielun, and there was a part of Poland which was called Protectorate, which was easier, and it was Częstochowa, where my wife is from. And my father and mother went in that direction. My father was caught on the border, and he disappeared. Here we got one postcard from him from a jail in Lodz, and I don't know that. My mother with my brother went to Częstochowa. It came a time where in May 1942, Wielun became Judenrein. They finished. So I said, I'm not, they assembled, they put all the Jews in a church. A part they sent to Lodz, and a part they sent for extermination to Helbeck. What I did, I had a friend, a colleague and they had a tannery. And the tannery was governed, was under the directorate. He was the director of the tannery, a German, and he was relatively mild. And he was a big shot. He was in a uniform. He was the head of one of the motor division of the party, but he tried to protect his Jews. It came that I see was the end of it. He tried to protect them, but he came back the German, I remember his name, Fitzner, and he said, bad news, I don't think I'll be able to keep you. I was hiding in the tannery, and the tannery they had skins from horses. Those are big big skins, one after the other, where they dried up. So I was hiding, and there was a big room, and several, I was behind that last horse skin, and I figured in case, first of all, he was there, the German, in his uniform, so the Gestapo was not going to come in here and then how I survived each time. I said to my friend, at the end of it, what I need is a shovel and a rake, and give us a can that we make believe that we're poorly dressed anyway. We took off our stars, that we are farmers going to work in the field. And I said, we have to escape. And then how we escaped we got out of the town on the fields, far from the streets. And how do I say, we going in the direction from Wielun to Częstochowa was 63 kilometers. How do we know we cannot go on the road? We cannot walk on the road because we got cut. I said, we're going to walk on the side, on the fields, in the woods, and we're going to watch, because there were the wires, the telephone wires. I said, then we know the road is, and we go the same direction.